Hello friends, Sam here. So today I will be talking about TTM strategy of content development. So I learned it from my mentors and I am passing it on to all of you. So TTM, what does it mean? Now, whenever you develop content, you may be creating YouTube video, you may be putting something on the Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp status, or maybe whatever social platform or whatever platform you share, your question is always whether I should have short videos, whether I should have long videos, what should I cover in my video, should I give something from my paid programs in my free videos or not. So these all questions in your mind. So this video will be answer to that. So what should be your content strategy? TTM. So T stand for teaser. So that will be something which will act like a magnet. Okay, so just analogy is a movie launch, teaser and then trailer and movie, right? So teaser means something which will act like a magnet. Looking at that, people should contact you. People should ask you question. People should have doubts in your mind. Is it possible? Whatever Sam is saying, is it doable? So that is what is called as teaser, right? So for example, I conduct MuleSoft technical program, suppose. So what will be my teaser? My teaser will be, okay, so guys, I will show you in this video how to transform yourself from non-IT professional into Mule 4 Pro IT professional in 3 months. So, and I will talk about some one or two, three lines about that, and that will be teaser. And I will direct them to my next set of content, that is trailer. Now teaser, you can put it maybe as your WhatsApp status, your video on the WhatsApp status. It can be post on the WhatsApp status. You can put teaser on the Facebook also. You can put the teaser, as I said, on YouTube shorts also, right? So that should not be more than 1 minute, I feel. Okay, maximum, let's say, I think 1 minute is fair enough. Okay, you may be thinking that is it really possible to talk the topic in 1 minute? Yes, definitely. So many videos I shooted only for 1 minute, right? Second one is trailer. That will be, now people warmed up with the teaser and they want to see what is there inside your offering. So what MuleSoft is, what Salesforce is, what TIPCO is, what kind of options you have available, all that. So maybe in my trailer content, I will convince them that I do have a credibility to train you. I do have a credibility to offer you my service. Okay, I do have sufficient certifications, experience, everything. That skill I showcase in my trailer content. So maybe 15-20 minutes content. So let's say for me, it will be like how to develop the Hello World project in MuleSoft. So that can be the 20-minute, 25 minutes video where step by step I will show them. So they will start thinking, okay, Sam explains very well. He has a lot of knowledge, okay, a lot of skill, and he explains very slowly and do the hand holding perfectly. So that is what the objective of the trailer content. Okay, once you complete the trailer content, then you can put them to your actual movie. So in the trailer content, you can actually tell them, I do have a course, I do have the training program, whatever you are offering might be, so that your course should be your movie. So should you give your paid content as a part of your free videos? Strictly no. You can give some bits and pieces, not the complete thing. Okay. In the teaser, don't even open the curtain. Okay. Just say that I do have some way to share with you, and this is the way basically, but don't talk in detail about that. Just warm them up. That is teaser. Then prove your skill. Okay, prove your credibility by 20-25 minutes video, that is trailer content. And finally, get them into movie. So that is what TTM strategy. So guys, I hope you like this video. Just wanted to share with you that two things. I started the trainer to entrepreneur video series. Okay, so that is my journey, that typically I was the trainer, and then how I have done that in business. So trainer to edupreneur, that is the series I want to share with you. That video series, if you want to register, somewhere down this video you will find the link for that. Go and join to that particular video series. In that video series, you will get such power pack video once in a week directly to your WhatsApp. And that proved game changer for many trainers and edupreneurs, guys. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, if uh, I actually worked for 20 years in IT industry, then I started parallelly my business, and then actually I got shifted to my own business, and now I own two companies. So that trainer to edupreneur, I have already done that. Rather, developer to edupreneur, I have already done that journey. So in case if you need my help, okay, you want to talk to me, so I can offer you free 15-minute consultation call. So somewhere below this video, my WhatsApp number might be there. Go there, ping my team and book my slot. I would love to help you guys in that call. Okay, so thank you. That's all for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.